just missed the front of this guy. You can kind of see it there. These are all single stack containers. That tells me he is headed in the easterly direction. That tells me he's probably headed into Pennsylvania, where they don't have tunnels that allow for double stack containers sometimes. Once he passes this crossing, I'll try to get ahead of him and see if we can get a better shot of this train from a few miles out. And if you guys wouldn't mind, I'm trying really hard to get to 1,000 subscribers. There's two magic things you need to get monetized on YouTube, and one of them is 4,000 watch hours. And believe it or not, I'm there, but I don't have the subscribers. So if you like trains, the real things or the models, love it if you'd subscribe. And I promise to stop asking once I get to 1,000. He's going kind of slow. We're in Alliance, Ohio. I've never railfanned down here before. I was actually at Rob's train store downtown Alliance, is why I'm here today. And for me, that was kind of a bust. If you like HO, that's probably a good store. Lots of tracks and parts and stuff like that. Not a ton of rolling stock, but lots of accessories. I saw a different train on my way over here, and now there's this one as I'm leaving. That's it. I will try to catch him from another angle and post another video if I do. Thanks for watching, guys.